This bowling ball that I'm presenting to the doctors a clear choice today. This is one of 8 bowling balls that was used to break the Guinness World Record for the most strikes in an hour with 191 strikes. Couldn't think of a better place to give it to than someone that's getting ready to change my life with my vision. Hello, my name is Adam Barta from Girard, Ohio, known in the bowling world for Guinness World Records, most 300s, most 800s, and some national titles as well. I'm a true believer in God gives each and every one of us a gift, and my gift was bowling. And by doing that, our family is able to give back to many people that are in need and help others out as much as we can, and primarily people that are affected with illnesses and cancer. And this again is one of 8 bowling balls that was used to break the Guinness World Record in honor of a superhero that I call. Her name is Paige Lejeune from Houston, Texas. The Guinness record was done in her honor, and she had passed away 2 weeks before we got to do the record, but everything was done in her honor. The theme behind the Guinness record was promised to Paige, and the promise was fulfilled. We beat the record and raised a bunch of money, and it was just a truly special day, so I'm excited to give this to the doctors. Well, my vision now is obviously as worse as it's ever been, but actually as I started talking about it with a lot of friends, they had been patients here, and they said that it was the best decision they had ever made in their life was coming here and getting it, and that was honestly the best experience I'd ever had coming into a medical office, just from the staff and the professionalism and how everybody was treated, and just great personalities, and very quick, efficient, and professional, and honest to God, it's like nothing I've ever seen.
I mean, I've had LASIK in my own eyes, and it's been fantastic from that perspective.
Did LASIK help your bowling game at all?
Yeah, LASIK actually, what can I say? I can see the pins that don't fall down a lot better. So it helped me from that perspective. I think for me, it's a different perspective. My perspective is, if I can get the trip, if I can cross that 100 mark, I know I've had a good day, basically. That's my goal, basically.
That's awesome. Yeah. I don't know if I will have any more Guinness records, but I'm super excited to get this done, and my vision's only going to get better.
We could have set a record, fastest to 300 after Smile.
Let's do it.
Like that. Doing very well. Beautiful. Very good. Excellent. Perfect. Very good. That looks awesome. Very good. Everything's going well. Green light's about to disappear. Keep steering the same general direction. You're doing great. Very good. Awesome. Perfect. Very good. And about 15 more seconds. You're doing a great job. Perfect. Perfect. Very good. Excellent. Good job. Perfect. That was a strike right there. That was great. Okay, so that was actually one of the most important steps of the whole procedure. So the laser's gone ahead and done its job very nicely, and you were a fabulous patient, not squeezing, stuff like that. Now we're gonna go ahead and carefully, the laser's kind of created that contact lens prescription inside there. So now what we're gonna do is go ahead and carefully, the tissue's being held on like Velcro, so we're gonna go ahead and separate the tissue and remove the prescription from within the eye here. He's just gonna feel some pressure. He will not feel any pain or discomfort while this is going on here. Are you having any pain at all, or it just feels weird?
Fine.
Feels good, right?
Yep.
Yeah, you're doing great. Everything's going beautifully here. And we are just about to take out the little prescription from within the eye. Here it comes out beautifully, right there. That's that prescription right there. Not too bad, right?
No.
I think that was a 300 right there. So you've probably gotten to a point where you just lost track of all your 300 games, I would imagine.
No, actually, 243 now.
Wow. Just blink a few times. Beautiful. Very good. So Adam did fantastic. Everything went beautifully with him. He was an awesome patient. Actually, it makes things a lot easier when he's nice and relaxed and things like that. Procedure could not have gone any better, and I expect that in his case he should be able to see 20/20 or close to 20/20 by tomorrow itself. It's fantastic from a patient perspective.
Feel good.
Did great. Everything went beautifully.
Everybody, it's Adam Barta here giving you an update. I had my smile procedure at Clear Choice Eye Clinic on December 15th. It was to correct my ability to see far, and by far it's the best decision I've made. And the main reason I got it, not only because I didn't want to wear glasses anymore, but was to enhance my bowling game. So actually here at Holiday Bowl, Struthers, Ohio, where I had the second Guinness record that I've thrown, which was most strikes in an hour. So just gonna throw a shot for you. Hopefully we strike and go from there. So there we go, on to bigger and better things, and hopefully some more 300 games, 800 series, and some more bowling titles. So thank you, Clear Choice, for everything. I greatly appreciate it.